In this video, we will go over an area chart in Power BI. An area chart is similar to a line chart, except we're shading the area underneath the line. So here we have a line chart that we went over previously. And we'll go to visualizations and change that to area chart. Oops. First we'll highlight it and then go to visualizations and go to area chart. So now you can see we have shaded areas underneath each line. And we will just drill down a little bit to see how that changes. And they're kind of keeping the same order as we go down. But you could see, there's spikes, and you could see the difference in spikes and lows in your data a bit better with the area chart. And here you can see bikes actually dip below components for a few days in this chart. So that's just the basics of the area chart. It's showing the area in relation to other areas. And for formatting, we can turn on labels, and you can then see the totals better through the progression of the area chart. So that's it for an area chart. It's just a line chart, but with shading, so you could see relation of your totals to each other, and if they kind of change hierarchy in the totals. And to do that, you just basically build like a line chart, except you're picking area chart.